Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about an actor, director, writer, comedian, theatrist, the emperor of the Konkani stage. The first theatrist to enter the Limca Book of Records. Yes, this story is about one of the best comedians of the Konkani stage, Mr. John D'Silva. So let's know more about him in detail. John was born on 20th February in San Juan, the Ariel village of Salsette, Goa. He is a science undergraduate from SP Chokole College, Margao. In 1984, he went to Doha, Qatar and worked as a security guard for almost 3 years. Then he returned to Goa. Back home, he took the opportunity to discover his talent. In 1987, he made his debut in Lino Fernandez's theatre Dorme, and the audience loved it. He also performed in the theatre Katyantlen Fool Bawile. The short journey came to an end as he made it to Doha, Qatar once again after spending 3 years in Goa. For a second time, he served as a security guard, but returned home in 9 months. Back in Goa, he found his calling and started his own production house, SB Art. His debut venture, Chuklele Roste 1991, written and directed by him. Then he came out with Chitallolo Fatur 1992, Jeet 1993, Liplele Rupkar 1993, Puja 1994, a video film, Sheen 1995, and many more. When he made his debut, he did serious roles and other characters with negative shades. But in the year 1999, when he was not having a comedian in his troupe, he switched to mainstream comedy in his theatre Umane, which was a huge hit. Thereafter, he did a lot of comic theatres. John D'Silva is the first theatrist to enter Limca Book of Records for acting, writing, directing and producing 25 theatres having a double alphabet in their titles. For example, Veiled, where L repeats twice. Getting his name written in the Limca Book of Records was not an easy task. It took him almost 2 years to convince the authorities that it was a new record. He is also the first one to have released his theatre Natok in London and Germany, and thereafter to have staged it throughout Goa. John has also staged his dramas in Mumbai, Pune, Karnataka, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Dubai, Muscat, London, etc. He has also acted in Konkani movies like Padri, O Maria, Uzwad, Nachoya Kupasar, O Lala, and many more. He also did special appearance on NTV's famous show Babiji Ghar Par Hai, India Goa special episode. He is the first one to have received the first Yuva Surjan Puraskar Award for Art and Culture from the Government of Goa for his immense contribution to the Konkani theatre. John D'Silva was given the title Emperor of the Konkani stage by the magazine Hello Margao, Hello Panjim. Till date, he entertains us with his comedy videos on his YouTube channel. And he is also one of the top Goan YouTubers with more than 65k subscribers. I feel proud of myself because I am born in Goa, where legends like John D'Silva are born. Soglang तुमका कालचांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी सोजमोता तुमकां म्हजो हो व्हिडिओ लायक जालो आसतलो म्हूण. हांव एक धाकटो यूट्यूबर आनी हालींच हें यूट्यूब चॅनल स्टार्ट केलां. म्हज्या चॅनलाचेर हांव असल्या मनशाचे व्हिडिओज कोत्ता जी एक तेंपार कांयच नासलेली, पूण कोस्ट काडून खूब वावर करून तिणें आयज नांव जोडलेलें आसा. ओ जी मनशां ह्या समाजा पासत खूब बरो वावर कोत्ता तांचेर. तुमकां म्हाजे व्हिडिओज लायक जाता जाल्यार म्हज्या चॅनलाक सबस्क्रायब करात म्हूण मागता. देव बरें करूं.